Ial C34 January 2016. Question number 1. Part A. Fx has 3 minus 2x to the power minus 4. Find the binomial expansion of fx in ascending power of x up to and including the terms in x square. Fx is equal to, let's take 3 common, so this is 3 to the power minus 4, don't forget the power. Then we will divide both by 3, so this is 1 minus 2 over 3 x to the power minus 4. So that will be equal to 3 to the power minus 4. And what we have here is 1 plus nx. N is minus 4. X is minus 2 over 3x. Plus n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, over factorial 2, that is 2 multiply 1. X is minus, x means second term, 2 over 3 square, plus, you have to write it up to x power only. So this is equal to 3 over 4 means 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 1 over 81. 1, these are two negatives, so that is positive. 4 times 2 is 8 over 3 x. This is two negatives, that will be positive. We can cancel this 2 by 2. 4 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 and minus 2, that is plus 10, plus 10. 2 square is 4 over 3 square is 9 x square, plus we need not to write others. So this is equal to, we divide all by 81, so this is 1 over 81 plus 8 over 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 8 is 24 x, plus this is 40 over 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 8 is 72 x square, plus, and that is the expansion, 1 over 81 plus 8 over 243x plus 40 over 729 x square. Question number 2, part A. Cot square x minus cosec x minus 11 is equal to 0. We have to change it into cosec square x minus cosec x. Generally we change it into sine and cos, but because we want the answer in cosec x. So we know that cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So cot square x can be written as cosec square x minus 1 minus cosec x minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is cosec square x minus cosec x minus 11 and 1, 12 is equal to 0. So we know that k is negative 12. If you use sine and cos, you will get the answer, but it will be very lengthy and time consuming. And if you see the marks 1, it means there's just 1 or 2 steps only. Part B. Cot square x minus cosec x minus 11 is equal to 0. So we solve it. So cosec square x minus cosec x minus 12 is equal to 0. Instead of writing, we can write this, where k is 1. So we just have to solve it. That is 12. 4 multiplied 3 is 12, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So it is cosec square x minus 4 cosec x plus 3 cosec x minus 12 is equal to 0. So if you solve it, you will get cosec x minus 4 and cosec x plus 3 is equal to 0. So cosec x will be 4 and negative 3. Now if cosec x is equal to 4, so I can write it, it is 1 over sine x. So sine x is equal to 1 over 4. So x will be sine inverse 1 over 4. Sine inverse 1 over 4 is 14.4775. So this is a, we have from 0 to 360. AS. So it means this angle 14.447 and this angle. No, sine AS. Yes, this angle plus this. So it will be 180 minus. So that will be 165.522. Then this is 165.522. Now if cosec x is minus 3, x will be sine inverse minus 1 over 3. So that will be minus 19.471. So this is minus 19.471, 19.471. So this is A S, here sign is negative and here sign is negative. Our value is 0 to 360. We can't go this way, we have to go that way. So one angle will be this. That will be 180 plus 19.471. So this is 199.47. So this angle is, so x will be 199.471. And then another angle will be this, 360 minus 19.471, that is 340.53. So we have to write all angles one place of decimal, so our angles will be So x will be 14.47 means 14.5, 165.5, 199.5. We are not going to take this as 140.53, 340.53. So this is 340.5. So that is the solution. Question number 3. A curve has a equation 3 to the power x plus 6y is equal to 3 over 2 xy square. Find the exact value of dy over dx at 2, 3. Give your answer in this form. So the equation is 3 to the power x plus 6y is equal to 3 over 2 xy square. I'm writing in the bracket because we have to differentiate, so need not to write 3 over 2 again and again. Now we differentiate. A to the power x is a to the power x ln x. So this is 3 to the power x ln, not ln x, ln a, ln 3 plus 6, differential of y is dy over dx. You always get this kind of a question in exam to differentiate, so don't get confused here. Is equal to 3 over 2 first function into differential of second 2y. Don't forget to write dy over dx where y is there, plus second function y square and differential of first, that is 1. Now this question says they want the exact value of dy over dx. So you can solve it and put the values, but it's good if we write all those values here of x and y just here. So x will be 2. So we have x here, we have x here, and that's all. So this will be 2, and wherever we have y, we don't have y this side, we have y here and we have y here. So that will be 3. So you have to be a bit careful. So 3 to the power x is 2. And y is 3. I'm just writing to show you, you need not to write this in examination. So 3 power 2 is 9 ln 3 plus 6 dy over dx is equal to 3 over 2. This is 2 times 2 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Dy over dx plus, this is x square. No, this is x only. This is y square. So y is 3. 3 square is 9. So 9 ln 3 plus 6 dy over dx is equal to 3 multiply 12 over 2 dy over dx plus 3 multiply 9 over 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So 9 ln 3 plus 6 dy over dx is equal to, this will be 18 dy over dx plus 27 over 2. Now this is positive, so we are not going to change this side here. So 9 ln 3 plus, not plus, we are changing the sides, minus 27 over 2 is equal to 18 dy over dx minus 6 dy over dx. So this is 12 dy over dx. So we can write here 12 dy over dx will be equal to we can let's write the same. It is 9 ln 3 minus 27 over 2. So dy over dx will be we divide this whole by 12. So this will be 9 ln 3 divided by 12 minus 27 over 2 1 over 12. So that is equal to, now we multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. So this is 24. This is 18 ln 3 minus 27. Now cancel it by 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 8. 3 times 9 is 27. And 3 times 6. So it can be written as 6 ln 3 minus 9 over 8. So this is ln 3 is to the power 6. The 6 can come here, minus 9 over 8. So this is, so dy over dx will be ln 3 is to the power 6. Means 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. 27 square is 729. 729 minus 9 over 8. So this is B, this is A. We can write that B is equal to 729 and A is equal to minus 9. Question number 4. The curve with equation 2 over 4 plus 3x, x is greater than minus 4 over 3, is bounded by the curve x-axis and line x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2 over 3, is rotated through 360 degree. So this is being rotated here. This. Use calculus to find the exact value of volume of the solid generated. So we know that volume is equal to pi y square dx a to b. So here y is equal to 2 over 4 plus 3x. So y square will be the square of all. So this will be pi y square is 4 over 4 plus 3x square, and it is negative 1 to 2 over 3, negative 1 to 2 over 3. So if we differentiate it, that is pi 4, this is power minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 is, so 4 plus 3x to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, multiplied by minus, divide by minus 1, and divide by the differential of 3x is 3. This is minus 1 to 2 over 3. Now that is equal to, this is minus 1, this is 3, this is pi. Let me write minus 4 pi over 3 common, and we have 1 over 4 plus 3x to the power minus 1 to 2 over 3. So this is equal to minus 4 pi over 3, and this is, let's put 2 over 3. So 3 multiplied 2 over 3 is 2, so this is 4 plus 2, so it will be 1 over 6. And if I put minus 1, so 3 multiply minus 1 is minus 3, 4 minus 3, so this will be 1. So that will be minus 4 pi over 3 multiply 6 times 1 is 6, 1 minus 6 is 5, minus 5 over 6. So the volume will be negative negative plus, 5 times 4 is 20, we can cancel by 2, 2 times 3 and 2 times 2, so 10, that is 10 pi over 3 times 3 is 9. So that is the volume. Now this volume is of this figure. Now the second, it shows the candle of the axis of symmetry AB, where AB is 15. AB, this is 15. A is a point at the center of the top surface of the candle, and B is the point at the center of the base of the candle. Here it want to say that this is the candle and exactly equal to the volume of this solid of revolution, which rotated through 360 degree. The candle is geometrically similar to the solid generated in the part. Find the volume. So what is the volume of this candle? Now volume of this is 10 pi over 9. This is part B. Let's compare this. Figure 1. This is minus 1 and this is 2 over 3. This is somewhere 0. So 2 over 3 plus 1. 2 over 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 times 5 over 3. And this length is, in figure 2, this is 15. So what is the factor? What we multiply 5 by 3 to get 15? 5 over 3 multiply what is equal to 15. So this number is equal to 15 multiply 3 over 5. So that is 5 times 3 is 3 times 3 is 9. So that is 9. It's of 9 factor, and we are talking about volume. So the volume of the candle will be nine cube, the volume of this figure, 10 multiply 10 pi over 9. So that is 9 times is 9 square is 81 multiply 10, 810 pi is the volume of the candle. In fact, it's a very good question. It is the volume of candle. Question number 5, part A. Show that the equation has a root between 1 and 2. Fx is equal to minus x cube plus 4x square minus 6. So let's see the value of f1. This is minus 1 plus 4 minus 6. So that is 4 minus 7. So that is negative. F2 is equal to, this is minus 8 plus 2 square is 4 times 4 is 16 minus 6. So that is 16 minus 14. So this is positive. So this is negative value and this is positive value. So it means this is the solution between this point and this point. So it shows that the curve is crossing between these 2 points. Part B. Show that x is equal to x square, and there's no x cube here. So in such a case, I think we have to take x square common, so x will remain inside. You can see. For example, if I do this question opposite, x square is equal to 6 over 4 minus x. Now I do the cross multiplication. So 6 is equal to 4x square minus x cube. Can you see that I'm almost getting this? So it's just how to arrange it. It's just a free marks. So minus x cube plus 4x square minus 6 is equal to 0. Now I'm writing this only. I need not to do anything. 4x square minus x cube is equal to 6. Now I'm writing this one. I've taken x square common. This is 4 minus x is equal to 6. So x square is equal to 6 over 4 minus x. So x will be root 6 over 4 minus x. That's what we are getting. It's part B. Is starting with 1.5, x1 is equal to. This kind of question is just a repetition only. I don't think there's anything. There's not much, only you have to be very careful about your calculation. So x1 is 1.5. x2 is equal to root 6 over 4 minus 1.5, and that you will get 1.54919 You have to write to 4 places of decimal, so it will be 1.5492. x3 will be root 6 over 4 minus 1.5492. So that will be equal to 1.5646. 1.56466. That is equivalent to 1.5647. x4 is equal to same, and you will get the value 1.5696. Now part D. Use a suitable interval, show that this is a root of this equation. So 1.572. So we have to see the interval. So let me add 0, and now I write it 1.5715 and 1.5725. So this is the interval between these two. I have subtracted 5 from here, and 5 I have added 5 here in this 0. So this 20 become 50 by subtracting, and this 20 become 25. So if I put these values, what I'll get is f 1.5715 is equal to minus 0.002 54665. 546. And when I write f is equal to 1.5725, I am getting plus 0.0026. So it shows that it is having a same thing. The curve is having a root in between these 2 points.